ERG Theory. ERG Theory. The ERG need theory, developed by Clayton Alderfer, is a refinement of Maslow's needs hierarchy. 12 instead of Maslow's 5 needs, ERG theory condenses these 5 needs into 3 needs. These 3 needs are those of existence, relatedness, and growth.
The E, R, and G are the initials of these needs.
Existence needs. These needs are roughly comparable to the physiological and safety needs of Maslow's model. These include the needs for shelter, physical and psychological safety for their well-being. Relatedness needs. Relatedness needs roughly correspond to social and esteem needs in Maslow's hierarchy. These needs are satisfied by personal relationships and social interaction. Growth needs. These are the needs to develop and grow and reach the full potential that a person is capable of reaching. They are similar to Maslow's self-actualization needs. Difference between ERG theory and Maslow's theory. ERG theory differs from Maslow's theory in proposing that people may be motivated by more than one kind of need at the same time. While Maslow proposes that in the hierarchy of needs, a person will satisfy the lower level needs before he moves up to the next level of needs and will stay until it is satisfied. ERG theory suggests that if a person is frustrated in satisfying his needs at a given level, he will move back to the lower level needs. For example, assume that a manager's existence needs are fully satisfied and he looks for more challenging tasks to satisfy his self-esteem needs.